Hi guys, hello, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change font in Microsoft Word mobile version. So you need to open the Word app first on your phone and then open the file. Okay, here this is my file. If you want to change the font, you just need to block the part that you want to change the font and then click on the pencil icon at the top. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay, here click on this A with pencil icon at the top, and then here you can see the current font used is Times New Roman, and then if you want to change it, just click on the font name, and then here you can see there are various fonts that you can use. For example, I want to change it into Arial. Just click on it. Okay, just like that, the font has been changed in this and also in the text. Okay, so that's the easy way to change your font in Microsoft Word mobile version. So that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.